I've removed it. Okay, let's remove it. Okay, let's go. Hello there. How are you? I don't need to have the. Hello there. How are you?
That's
I
what I
don't need to
sound
have
like.
the. All right, we've tested this enough. We know it works. Let's get it. Let's have it be the phone call. This one, I want this to simulate enough. We know it works. Let's get it. Let's have it be. Get up out of here, cousin. If you don't get up out of here, thank you. I want this to simulate a phone call, because the ultimate goal of what we're building is actually a phone call system. You remember the Twilio docs that I sent you, dude? Well, we're gonna have this be a phone call to a phone number. For now, we're just simulating it, and we know everything works. The audio works, the replay works. I want to run this code and have it be like I just called the phone number, and it's my AI agent that has my knowledge base, and I want to have a conversation with them right now. We know everything works. Let's get it, B. Let's go. You got this. I love you. Thank you so much, 777. Terry Davis is a legend, man. Built an entire OS by himself. He was like a mad scientist. Dude, wow, thank you. Thank you, bro. I'm gonna look him up. But man, I appreciate you, bro. That is fire. A mad scientist, like built an entire OS. That sounds so sick, dude. I love your enthusiasm. Peace and love right back. Let's run the phone agent to have a conversation. Yeah, but no, what I'm trying to say here though is when I run it, there's still all this like testing of my sound. I just want it to be updated to be like right when I run it, it's like the phone call started. Yeah, you don't need to pat me on the back, big dog. I don't need it. I don't need it, Anthropic. I don't need it. Let's go. I understand you want a clean phone call like experience. Thank you. Without all the technical setup messages. Let's modify the phone agent to make it feel more like a real phone call. Yo, and we are going to be looking up Terry Davis at some point. Big love to Alien 420 back in the chat. We got our boy back. All right, let's put him on my list here, because you know I'm getting rated on my focus. My focus agent is listening at any moment. Who knows when? He will not let me break this. Okay, so it says, I understand you want to clean. Yes. I've updated simplified startup, connecting to Moondev AI, hidden technical details, removed all the device setup messages, more conversational interface, simple listening prompt when in voice mode, friendly or error messages, added 777 peace and love to the goodbye message. Wow, what a beautiful thing. What a beautiful, beautiful thing we're building here, dude. Yes, it's all free on GitHub. And yes, everybody must say 777. It is what it is. Much love. Appreciate you, bro. All right, let's go ahead and run this and see how it does. This is what I'm talking about, dude. Come on, Fleet. Let's get it. What is going on? What is this? This is what I was talking about. We don't need to do all this pre-stuff. I just want to get right into the conversation. Something's working there, though. Respect, dude. 777 fam. Thank you. So something's working here, dude. Hi there, I'm thrilled to speak with you. AI response. You is the... Okay, hi. I'm thrilled to speak with you. Yo, this is way too fucking long. Olama? Why are you saying it to Olama, by the way? Input text. TTS. What are they using? Okay, it's good information. Hi there, I'm thrilled to help you with your questions. Okay, let's see, dude. Okay, so I'm gonna run it back here. Listening, hey, how you doing? Why does it only get that much though? Okay, let's use. Why am I using Ollama? What model are they using in the example below? Because let's. No, what was that? I'm so sorry for your ears, bro. That was so scary. What do you even call that? Third dimension? Dude, this is scary. This is too scary, dude. We're playing with a different dimension. This is like playing the Ouija board, dude. That was scary, dude. What was that? No response. There's no response down here. I got the chills, dude. It's like we're over here playing the Ouija board. This is scary. I'm scared now. I got the chills, dude. That was a different dimension. What was that? No prints, nothing. No prints, nothing. What do you even call that? How do I explain this fear? I'm scared. I'm truly scared. I've got the straight up chills. Please. Please, I don't want to mess with any bad spirits, nothing like that. It's all love. 777. Please spam the 777, dude. Please, we need it right now. We need the 777. White noise? That was not white. That shit was dark, dude. That was some dark noise. That was not white noise. Thanks for trying to be positive, but that shit was dark noise. That was scary. I'm scared. I'm scared, dude. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, where were we before this? That was spooked me. Okay, so first off, it seems like it didn't take in my whole transcript of the message and speaking wise. Second, we shouldn't use Ollama. Let's use whatever that they're using in the example below. I assume it's OpenAI because, you know, that's whose example it is. So check out the example and just use the exact ones that they're using here just so we can stay, you know, consistent, get it working first. Thirdly or fourthly, I can't remember at this point, there was a very scary sound that popped out. Some people are calling it white noise, but I think it was dark noise.
3.0
static.
It's okay
Scary.
to take your time and get back on track. Focus is a skill that develops with practice. Keep going, Moondev. Even when the words start to jumble, you'll find your train of thought again.
It was like static on the TV, but it was super loud and there was no feedback. I went ahead and posted what printed out in the terminal, but this was just like loud and spooky. We gotta make sure that never happens again. What was it, by the way? That was scary. I'm legit scared. I hope we're not like tapping into another dimension or something. If meme coins had comms, that's what it sounds like. 777, have you tried out Gemini 2.0 Flash and API? I think so. I think I have. I think I got it in here actually. Okay, I see several issues. The static noise was likely from the audio playback of empty or corrupted audio data. Let's add checks to prevent playing invalid audio. You're right about the model. Looking at the example, they're using OpenAI's models. Let's switch to that. The transcript was cut off, suggesting we need better audio handling. please use GPT-4o Mini. As you can see in our README, we actually don't have the GPT-4, and we don't, yeah, they don't have that anymore either. So that's what I got hit with, Alien. Ray limits, dude. Okay, and I'm noticing these models like, well, hello, how you doing, bro? What's up? Can you tell me something about the boot camp, please? See, it's still coming back like that. How do you close this shit? You can see that it still just got you, which was super weird. Yeah, I said a bunch more than that. Okay, I want to look into because I heard they have that streaming stuff, right? OpenAI audio streaming or something. Streaming from text to speech, introducing real-time API. Real-time API here. Introducing the real-time API, developers can now build fast speech-to-speech experiences into their applications. February 3rd update. We no longer limit the number of simulation sessions on the real-time API. Please refer to our docs with the latest rate limits. We've added 5 new voices with greater expressiveness. Today we're introducing a public beta of the real-time API, enabling all paid developers to build low latency. How it works previously, okay. Real-time API, understanding the API. How does it work? Usage levels. So, okay. Real-time. Fine-tuning, rate limits. Wait. Why did they send me here? Today we're introducing the public of real-time API, enabling all paid developers use similar to ChatGPT. Okay, we're also introducing the voice audio input and output to chat completions API to support use cases that don't require low latency benefits. Okay, so how do we get this? Multi-model, real-time API, how it works. Previously, to create a similar voice assistant experience, developers had to do transcribed audio with automatic speech technician like Whisper, pass the text to a text model for inference for reasoning, and play the model's output using text-to-speech. This approach often resulted in loss of emotion, emphasis, and accents, plus noticeable latency. With chat completions API, developers can handle the entire process with a single API call through, though it remains slower than human conversation. The real-time API improves this by streaming audio inputs and outputs directly, enabling more natural conversations. Powering customer support agents. Okay, so this is what I want to do, dude. The real-time API will begin rolling out today in public beta. Audio capabilities of real-time API are powered by the GPT-4o real-time preview. Audio in the chat.
I knew I was gonna make it. I just ain't know how. But I knew. This world is what you make it. You create your own environment. It all starts with a vision. What you can imagine, you can create.
Real-time audio streaming, live transcription, python.app.py. Let's go here to this website. It was like here, no. Maybe here, no. Here it is. That's all? What you mean, dude? Oh, this is in this language, huh? Build.sh. Now that I think about it, this doesn't look like it got the information it needed from. Oh, this is it. Oh, this is it. Okay. Demo here. So let's look at the Python file. App.py. Fast API. Okay. Bringing in the OpenAI. I mean, here's some code that works. Above is how you use the real-time API. In order to have a conversation. With the agent. And theoretically, let me know if this is true or not, but instead of a phone call, I could just have this implemented to like a website and they could click connect and we could have it connect through like just a browser, right? Or would that be more complex than I'm thinking? Yes, you're absolutely right. We can adapt this to work through a web browser, which would actually be more accessible than a current phone call approach. Code you've shown is a good...
4.010. You've got some great ideas brewing, but it looks like your mind is jumping between thoughts for now. Keep building on those concepts, Moondev.
The code you've shown is a good start with Fast API, but we'll need a few modifications to make it work with real-time audio in the browser. Here's what we need to consider. Yo, by the way, dude, this guy, no, he literally just called me out, whatever. Yes, you're absolutely right. Okay, so the browser needs to handle web audio API. Okay, the backend needs WebSocket. Let me show you how we can modify this to work as a web application. I've transformed the phone agent into a web-based version that uses Fast API and WebSocket for real-time communication. Here are the key changes and features. Front end. Beautiful dark themed UI with a chat interface. Real-time audio level visualization. Connect, disconnect buttons. Start, stop recording. Message history with different styles for user and AI messages. Backend. WebSocket endpoint for real-time communication. Audio processing using the Web Audio API. Automatic audio level monitoring. Open your browser.